I want to play a game.
Ooh, can it be Donkey Kong?
Holy God.
This movie did give me some really good ideas.
I got a weird kind of fetish crush on Willem Dafoe. What we call that is symbolism. Okay, I wish I hadn't done that. To all the gentlemen in the audience who are listening right now, this is not what we mean by we could break her in half.
Would you not start having nightmares?
When you glue something to it, it stays glued to it.
Oh, it doesn't move.
Okay, that is not what I thought you said.
There's a ton of lawn gnomes all over the place watching this. This is going to a place I just can't follow.
Yeah, even I noticed the chubby.
Like I said, every bit of it goes to his face, doesn't it?
You need some exercise. Lay off the ho-hos, jump onto hose. Just let's shove this in where it doesn't fit.
I don't know, I kind of didn't feel anything. The whole, floor drop down and cooking her thing.
Mm-hmm.
Dusty!
You've completely defined torture porn at this point. Besides giving me whiplash and possibly an epileptic seizure, it was annoying. And how many of our audience was playing with their own willy? Being able to give head to a donkey. Because once I start figuring these numbers in, I can start figuring out how many loose women are listening. I mean, where were we? I get it. Gory, painful death. I'm not impressed.
Dusty!